Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to do a easy and beginner friendly party, or you can say wedding guest nail art. So without any further delay, let's start with my today's tutorial. Before applying base coat, I'm dehydrating my nail with nail polish remover because dry nail bed makes your nail polish long lasting. So I have applied base coat on my nails, and now I'm going to do glitter gradient French tip nail art only with two nail polish. One is scattered silver glitter nail polish and another one is hollow glitter topper. Apply both nail polishes on sponge, let the sponge soak the nail polish and apply only glitters at the tip of your nails. Repeat the same process again, but this time only with glitter topper. Look how gorgeous this top coat is. Let's see a closer shot. Okay, let's focus on our nail art now. Here I am doing dab 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 again, and later I realized that it's a glitter topper, not glitter nail polish. That's why it's not covering my nail properly. So on those gaps where glitter top coat can't cover my nails, I applied that scattered hollow nail polish with another part of the sponge, but in tiny amount, not too much. After cleaning excess, here I am applying a fast drying top coat and I am ready to go. If you do your nail art only with glitter nail polish, then you can finish your nail art with fast drying top coat because it won't shrink and it won't look bad at all. And here is the final look of my nail art. If you don't like silver color, then don't worry. You can do same nail art with different color glitter nail polishes, just like gold, blue, red, and many more. And that's all about my video. If you like my work, then please share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.